Guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Here are some ideas related to crochet pattern, and this video is crochet little kids skulls, baby frocks, dress ideas like different and beautiful color pattern and color styles, different eye-catching look ideas and different styles. So I hope you like it my video and my channel. Creating crochet baby frocks and like different colors, green, white, red, and different black is a charming idea offering a fresh and delicate color combinations. Here are how you can make them, and select a pattern. Look for crochet pattern specially designed for baby frocks that incorporate both like different colors and your favorite color, green, white and blue. You can search for pattern online on crafting platform or in crochet books and magazines. Choose soft yarn in shades of your choice, or pretty for yarn suitable for baby garments such as cotton or acrylic. Different soft cotton yarn pattern. Ensure you have the crochet hook size for your select yarn weight, and carefully follow the instruction providing. The pattern starts with the bodice of the frocks, and to crochet the skirts, sleeves, if and different applicable and any other design details. Pay attention to color changes and shaping instruction.